All of our content is moving to the Last Minute Lecture website, and everything will remain 100% free. We are a platform built by students for students, and we will never charge for access. Right from the homepage, you can search for any textbook instantly. Below that, you'll find the most recently added textbooks, along with the latest platform updates. If you want to explore everything we offer, you can browse our full library. All textbooks are organized alphabetically, making it easy to scroll and find exactly what you need. Once you open a textbook, you'll see every chapter clearly laid out. You'll also find related textbooks so you can quickly explore similar material. Inside each chapter, everything is ready for you. You get a full audio breakdown along with a clear, concise summary of the chapter. You can even adjust the playback speed, slow it down, or speed it up depending on how you like to learn. If you prefer to explore by subject, you can do that too. Each subject shows you all the textbooks connected to that field. And if you really want to dive deeper, you can explore by topic. This is where the platform becomes even more powerful. You can search for specific topics or browse through them in an interactive alphabetical layout. Each topic shows exactly how many chapters cover that concept, so you know where to focus instantly. You can scroll through everything or jump directly to any letter to find what you're looking for. The platform is fully optimized for both desktop and mobile, so you can study wherever you are. You can even listen to chapter summaries while your phone is locked, making it easy to learn on the go. Everything is designed to help you find information faster, study smarter, and stay ahead. We're excited for what this next big step in our journey will allow us to bring to you. Thank you for being a part of the Last Minute Lecture family.